Virgin Galactic delays beginning of commercial space flights to fourth quarter 2022. Stocks fall 20%. Virgin Galactic is delaying the beginning of its commercial space tourism service till the fourth quarter. Space tourism company will this month begin work refurbishing and improving its spacecraft and carrier aircraft rather than fly its next space flight test. Virgin Galactic's enhancement process, which is expected to take 8 to 10 months, makes mid 2022 the earliest for the Unity 23 Unity 23 space flight may fly. That's pretty devastating. I remember when the Virgin Galactic program got started. I love the idea. I love the design of the plane and all that. But of course now it's been, I don't know, like a decade, maybe more, since Virgin Galactic got started, and we just keep delaying it. But hey, I guess if you're this close, why not? Why not make sure it's the safest? Why not make sure it's the best? Why not make sure that it will absolutely have no problems? I mean, space isn't going anywhere. It's going to still be there. So, taking a 20% dip, I'm sure they didn't like that. I'm sure Richard Branson didn't care for that. But, ultimately, what's worse? Having a problem occur, or okay, look, we need to do some things and improve some more things here. Let's get it right, so that we can make sure that there's no problems. Because the last thing we want is a problem, especially out of the get go. Yeah. So, 20% in the short term might be better than long term problems.